Alright. It is. Drop it. Calling it the horror. 1 to the 2 and 3 to the 4. I know you ain't heard it like this before. I do a lot of counting, but everybody says I'm doing my counting, so everybody's wet. Yeah, all of a sudden it's like you don't exist. You going around town, huh? Surely I will be missed. Now I'm going to rap. I'm rapping in a dungeon. Ain't nobody else seen it coming. Yeah. And now I'm going up flip side, like I can go around. I'm rapping to make my stacks, and now I'm stacking to make my raps. Yeah, I guess you got that street cred. You going up top, you going so bold, you forgot I wasn't old. Yeah, I guess I'm going Superman. I guess I'm going in another Marvel. Oh wait, let me rewind, was that DC? Now all you homies wanna try to go and be me. Now that you done seen all of my salary, huh? You can go and kick back, homie, I'ma go and rock back. I'm like a rubber band, come around and hit you right back. I guess you call it stacks, I guess you call it racking. Ain't nobody else do it like me, I stay packing. And I'm Latino, so you know what that means. I'm always going around town like I'm trekking. Yeah, for me, nah, I got family that's all straight Mexican. And like I know I got it like a pistol. I ain't afraid of brandish, but you wanna what? You wanna go ahead and start right-handed? Going around town and I'm gonna get the horror. Going around town and my oranges roaring. Yeah, got the V12 roaring. Nah, that ain't me. That's just what I wanna be. But you see, I'm in a cool little 4-cylinder. Call it an EF9. You can go ahead and get behind mine. Go ahead and stand in this line. Why? Because this is my time and I'm about to shine. I'm about to show you why I got wings. I jumped off the top and now I'm going up. So what you gotta say? What? Echo 5. You know what he brings? He brings the raps. He brings the lyrics. Now all of a sudden I got a bunch of critics. You say that I ain't nothing, but here I stand. I got a light on my right and a window on the left. What am I gonna do when I'm the only one half? Yeah, I know I got it good. I'm been out the hood and now I'm going around. So I bring it back down. And I'm saying to myself, hey yo, Echo 5, what you got next? Yeah. Boom. Yeah, boy.